we're here at MagnaFlow. There's a huge line of people. We're here with the family, my parents and Madden. So it's just about to start, but it's gonna be a packed event. It's hot. It's about 90 degrees with humidity, but we're due for a huge event. I'm here just because I wanted to be here to get coverage. I'm a Honda guy at heart, but I love everything JDM, and Sang being, you know, from the Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift, I think it'd be perfect just to come here and see what the event has to offer and see everything coming for the new Drift movie. So let's get into today's video.
Skylines. Got my man Round Cat Garage, Mickey over here. Throttle Boys are in the building. Seen a variety of different people, athletes. Nick Eisenhower, saw Chris Forsberg, 3-time Formula Gym champion, and of course the star, Mr. Sung Kang. This MF meetup in collaboration with Drifter the movie. You've seen a lot of teasers. I'm sure you've seen all the different kind of elements, including Lola, the vehicle, the Hachiroku A86. We're gonna dive into that in just about 5 minutes. Sung Kang, grabbing some water. Thank you for enduring the heat. I apologize. I can't do anything about the weather, but it's better than rain, right? So thank you for joining us out here. MagnaFlow, Camberg. And if you didn't know, MagnaFlow acquired Camberg some time ago. Talking about the off-road parts, they have now opened a facility manufacturing in Utah, kinetic suspension. You can take a look over here at Kyle Jurgensen's Camberg truck over here. It's outfitted with the Camberg chassis, bump stops, kinetic coilovers, and of course, MagnaFlow exhaust. So be sure, again, the meet and greet kicks off at 3:30, so we know it's hot, but again, want to make sure everybody's happy, content. So thanks for joining us out here. A complimentary event. It's not free. You got to sweat a little bit for it. My name is Jared Dienda. I've announced Formula Drift for 23 years. So thank you to the MagnaFlow family for having us out here and having some fun. So be sure, once you do your meet and greet, cruise around the whole building. There's a variety of different vehicles, from trucks, JDM, a large collection of Skylines, from 31s to 35s, everything in between. So be sure to check it out. Check out the MagnaFlow booth, but I'll be up here with Sung Kang, again, star of Drifter the movie, in just a little bit. Thank you guys and gals. Anything else?
Ricky's FD RX-7 from Throttle pulled up here. Dude, this thing is sick. Obviously has a theme from Fast and Furious. Love this car. Good talking to Ricky. He was actually talking to my dad for a bit. Parents are here checking everything out. Where they have another Skyline, which you guys have seen probably on the channel before. The Skyline they built on Throttle. They built this car for SEMA. Has literally all the goodies. Full custom paint, over fenders, dude, caged up, 3 bottles of nitrous. This thing is epic. This car is probably one of my favorite cars they actually built on Throttle. One of the few favorites, but this thing is epic. This thing is super dope. Even a carbon dash, you guys. If you guys have seen the build series or haven't, check it out on Throttle on our YouTube channel. You see his whole build if you haven't already. Alright, forgive me in advance, you guys. There is music in the background, so we're gonna do a lot of B-rolls, but let's get back into it. So we're coming next to this Datsun 510, and my dad used to actually own one of these. When in Hawaii, you said?
Hawaii.
Does it take back you just some old memories?
Oh yeah, definitely. My first car.
Oh wow, that's pretty cool. Dude, you guys, this Corolla is pretty dope. It's on what looks like Watanabe's, but it's got a Beams motor. Dude, this thing's sick. Not bad at all. And then we got my buddy Charlie's Integra that he actually works here at the facility for MagnaFlow. And dude, this car is mint. Right-hand drive, Wed Sport TC05s, spoon calipers. He's done a lot of work to this car. Got some red Recaros, SR3s. I think, if I'm correct, the car is turbocharged, but he definitely brings this out every weekend to most events, but this event in particular, he showed his car. Shout out, Charlie. Thanks for representing Speed Options. And we got the homie Dave's Integra, which he just put supercharger kit on, which hopefully will be featuring on the channel soon. This thing is beautiful. Good to see another local showing up. And then the homie Chris pulled up. Thankfully, he just came back from Texas not too long ago. But yeah, he's here for the event. Dude, this car is just amazing. You guys have probably seen this car on Gus's channel, Automotive Anatomy. But he's done a lot of subtle touches to the car, giving it more of that spoon look, or spoon theme per se. It has all the spoon goodies, literally all the spoon goodies. Lip, wheels, calipers, valve cover, all the stuff on the engine bay. Strut bar, reservoir socks, mirrors, banner. He's got spoon seats, steering wheel, shift knob, spoon wing, and even the spoon. Oh no, he doesn't. Oh, he doesn't have a spoon muffler. I thought he had a spoon street muffler. But either way, still makes for a great car. Yeah, we're definitely gonna head out and go get some food. This guy's hungry, so, and it's hot, of course, so we're gonna head that way and go get some grub. Alright, we came, we conquered. The only thing is, you guys, 2 hours to see Sung, and that's gonna be a no-go. This guy's gotta eat. My parents are hot and tired. We got a monster truck over here. But overall, good event. I just wish we were able to see Sung, and that's okay. It happens. I'm okay with it, but we got some merch, we got some coverage. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.